Hey there, I'm Parth Doshi. So, this is the last video of my generic workflow of document understanding in UiPath series. Till now in this series, we understood what is document understanding and all its steps. We understood taxonomy in detail. We created our own taxonomy. We understood what is digitized document, what is data extraction scope, different types of extractors available. We also saw what is present validation and in which cases is it required and in which it is not. If you haven't seen these previous videos or if you would like to learn about that steps, please see the previous video of this series where I've explained each step in detail. Now, without any further delay, let's get started with the export extracted results step. Since this is a final step, will we have all the extracted data with us and which is also validated using a present validation station if you are using it. Now that extracted results are converted into a data set. Now you can use that data set values to convert it further to an Excel sheet or workbook activities. You can use write range, you can create a new workbook and write the data in that files. So this is just a small theoretical explanation of what is export extraction results. Now let's say in practical how we can export the results from a data set into an Excel file. So to export the results, we need to drag export extraction results. So we have drag export extraction results over here. Now validated results. So this was our validated results, which was we got from present validation station. Now from that, we are passing it to a for each. Now in for each, I've created tables in dataset.table. Make sure you set the type argument to system.data.data table. Now after that, we are writing it into an Excel file. Let me name is at acme invoice data. Also, if you haven't seen previous video, I would suggest you to watch that previous video, but this is the document we are trying to process. Now after that, the sheet name I'm writing is at tables.table name and the data we are writing is tables. Now let me save this and let's run this workflow to see what output we are getting. So this was the previous step performed in the previous video of this series: loading the taxonomy, digitizing document, data extraction scope. In digitizing we have used Tesseract OCR, in data extraction we have used intelligent form, and here then we have present validation, then export result. Let me close this file, let me save this and let's run it. Now let's wait for the present validation screen to prompt. So this is the present validation screen we have. We have the from data properly extracted to, you can see the confidence level is 100%. So this is up. Then we have invoice date and then we have the total amount. So we were able to extract all the details properly by creating the taxonomy and data extraction scope using different extractor. Let me save this, continue and save, and let's see the data in this particular file. I hope I have selected add headers over here to add the headers. Now let me open the file. So this is our Excel file where we have written all the data. Let's check it. It's taking time to open. Yes. So as you can see, from to invoice invoice date, total amount. We have all the details properly extracted by following the generic workflow in document understanding. So this is the end of this series where we completely understood each step in complete detail, starting from what is document understanding till export extracted results. I hope I was able to explain all the steps in detail properly. And if any doubts or anything, you can connect with me on LinkedIn, and also you can contact me on my contact number, which I will be adding in description in each of the videos. Also, I will be adding some webinar links conducted by UiPath and document links in all my videos, so please do check them out if you would like to learn more about the different use cases in document understanding and understand that particular document understanding feature in more detail. Thank you for watching the complete series. I hope I was able to explain all your doubts. Please do share if anyone is looking to understand what is document understanding, what are the different steps need to be performed in document understanding. Also, in each video description, I have given a link of the complete playlist of my document understanding where I have tried to and processed 12 different types of use cases of document understanding. Thank you.